I am making Italian meatballs.
Oh, I'm gonna get one of those.
In Vodka sauce.
Oh, yeah.
This is, I'm sorry, Sonny, yours is easy. I think mine is easier because there's no chopping involved. You have to chop your herbs. Jeffrey's looking at this. It's not eggs. These are fresh meatballs available in your, refrigerated section now at your grocery store.
Oh, yeah, I've
fresh,
seen that. Yeah.
pre-made meatballs ready to go. So what we're gonna do is sear these off in a pan, okay? We're gonna bring it to low and we're gonna make now our sauce. It's a vodka sauce. This could not be any easier. Taking your favorite jar of pre-made tomato sauce. I know, people in my family are rolling in their graves right now, but they make some really good jar sauce right now.
Yeah.
Real fresh, really just vibrant and beautiful.
It's not like it used to be.
Next, we're gonna take some cream.
Oh, yeah.
Heavy whipping cream in there to make it a creamy sauce. We're gonna whisk this around, right? And I'm gonna take these meatballs, right? See how easy this is? Because it's just 2 ingredients thus far.
Where's the vodka?
The vodka is coming. I'm gonna take these meatballs, right? And I'm just gonna literally dump them all. Look at that. Look how crispy we got on there, right? Again, you can use the frozen meatballs, but I think this adds so much flavor, just caramelizing the exterior.
Wow.
Frying them up.
Hating.
Just a little bit of that fat. Oh, what are we gonna do with all that crispy bit fond on the bottom?
You're gonna flambe.
We're gonna deglaze
Oh.
with that, right?
See, that's not easy. You doing a whole lot of steaming up. Now I gotta turn on the vent over the stove.
And the vodka not only gives it flavor and body and everything, that kind of like potato-y type of flavor, but also helps emulsify the tomato and the fat and the cream together as one. Wow. Otherwise, you get separation, right? It'll cook in there. We're gonna...
How long, Jeff?
So this is going on high, 2 to 4 hours till it's all kind of together and wonderful. And look at that, give it a little stir before you put...
It smells amazing.
It is like, right, that vodka sauce. Yeah. And how easy was that? 3 ingredients only. I got one ready to go here. Let me see, this one is gonna be legendary.
Oh. Do I taste this one too, or Katie gets it?
No, Katie gets to taste that, but look at that.
Step back.
Come on.
Look at it. It's like a very pretty blush, right? Look at that. Give it a little stir before you serve it, right? There we go.
Yeah, because I want a lot of sauce in there.
There's a restaurant downtown that has a great
that looks
vodka
good,
sauce.
Jeff. Okay.
Look at
Big old
that.
piece of basil on it.
Look at
Yup.
it. And I'm gonna get dainty. Daddy's getting dainty here. We're just throwing a little piece of baby basil on top of each one of these. Then, of course, a
Parm me up.
little fresh parm. And don't forget your toothpicks.
So much work.
How dare you? These were so easy. You're gonna make these so much more
Really good.
quicker and frequently than Sonny's.
Listen, I think we've all had the meatballs at some place, right? This is good if you're gonna do like a meatball bar, man. Just a couple of flavors, something familiar.
Jeff, I love the creaminess and that tomato sauce and the vodka. It's there, but it's not overpowering. And you're right, having that little brown bit.
Yeah.
It's good.
The fond.
I like these. I would make this for dinner. Put it in before you go to work. Come home, boil the pasta. That's all you need.